Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to downtown Calgary, Alberta, the lively and busy center of the city. Downtown is home to places like the Calgary Tower, the Peace Bridge, and the scenic Bow River Pathway. Many important streets like Stephen Avenue are full of shops, restaurants, and entertainment. The downtown area is divided into several smaller parts, including the Business District, the East Village, and the Beltline, each with its own feel and charm. Calgary itself is a large city in southern Alberta, located where the Bow and Elbow rivers meet. The city got its name from Calgary Bay in Scotland. It started as a fort in 1875, known as Fort Calgary. It grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and oil. Today, it is known for being one of Canada's fastest-growing cities and for hosting the famous Calgary Stampede every July. Surrounded by rolling prairies and close to the Rocky Mountains, Calgary offers a mix of nature and modern city life that makes it a special place to visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!